Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC. Happy New Year 2024. This will be my first flight of the year, and I'm inside my car right now because it's freezing, -7 Celsius. So yeah, I'll do as much as I can inside. And I have the UMX Radian. I just refitted the magnets because first time I did it I put that 3D printed piece through the top as it comes stock, but turns out you're supposed to put it on the bottom. Now the magnets should work, and I've tested they work a lot better. I also painted the LEDs on the edges red and green. They show up real nice in the dark. I don't think we'll see much of it right now because it's really bright outside, but it's cold. So I'll get this thing assembled. Just need to slide the wing in, but I can do it holding the phone. Then go outside and hopefully fly it before I freeze to death. Okay, here it is, all connected. I think the lights, the colors don't really show up well on camera, but maybe when I do a night flight it's gonna look better. If it's this cold during day, imagine how cold it's at night. So okay, let's go fly this thing. Okay guys, let's fly. Let's see if I still got this. It's a bit windy and that sun is shining. I don't believe it's so cold. It's not too bad in the sun, but I still have gloves on. So I can make that bad joke. It's been a year. It's the last time I've flown. But yeah, it has been a couple of weeks. And that's exactly why I chose the Radian. It's easy, it's relaxing. Plus I haven't flown this since the test flight after I put on the lights initially. Because I knew I had to replace that 3D printed part, and as luck has it, my 3D printer broke. And I didn't hurry to get it fixed. It took me a while. Just did it about a week ago. And yeah, I've got a few more 3D printed planes in the works. Because that's just me. I have tons of unfinished projects. But I find something cool, start on that also, and not finish it. But I'm in the advanced stages with a couple. So I hope I'll have new things to show to you soon. There's also a few new planes. There's one, believe it or not, I have it in the box since October. Haven't even opened the box yet. It's because if I assemble it, I won't have where to put it. Oh. The heck is it doing that? What if my battery came loose? I think that's the low voltage alarm. I think that's because it's really cold outside. I kept the battery in the car and in my pocket as much as I could. But yeah, probably the cold's getting to it. And the wind's picking up. I'm under half throttle, or just around half, and it's doing that. Yeah, so I was saying, have that new plane, I won't say what it is. And another one my wife got me for Christmas, but thanks to Horizon's messy website, it showed it was in stock, but it wasn't. It's back ordered. So I'll get that when Horizon gets it back in stock. I think she talked to them, it's supposed to be January, so who knows. Still 20 more days to the month. And another one that should be arriving in the next few days. Found a good deal for New Year's. Man, it's cold. Have these gloves where I can stick my fingertips out, and they're really cold. I don't know why it's doing that. Still might be tail heavy. Man, that alarm is annoying. That's one of the downsides of flying in the cold. I'm kicking myself because the first days of the year it was still really warm. Actually, until a few days ago. But when I was off work, I was just too lazy to get out and fly. Then I had to work. Okay. Let's try and land or hand catch. I think the motor's pulsing also, and I'm really not pushing it. Oh, car coming. And alarm sounding. Well, at least the corn is gone, finally. Thank you, farmers. Man, that's annoying. Okay, let's see if I can catch it. Can get it close enough to me. Oh, there it is. With the lights, I think they're a bit more visible now. I don't know how much you can see on camera. Whew. So this was the UMX Radian. Very little plane. I think it might be a bit tail heavy still. Whew. That was nice getting out, although my fingers are freezing. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Ring that bell button. And also leave some great comments. This is Alex. I'm freezing, so I'll see you next time. Bye.